If you feel like you've messed everything up today and just want to hide, take a breath. When the first humans made a devastating choice, overwhelmed by shame, they hid among the trees. But the Creator didn't respond with fury. He walked through the garden in the cool of the day, gently calling, "Where are you?" We all have moments where we want to disappear, when the pressure to be perfect makes us hide behind forced smiles. But we don't have to hide, we are held. His voice still searches for us, not to condemn, but to offer a quiet sanctuary. His grace is our anchor, reminding us we are enough. Let's rest here. Lord, breathe your peace into us when we want to hide. Remind us we are deeply loved. Amen.